Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right account privileges, because deletions require sufficient permissions. Once confirmed, open the recycle bin from the desktop or via File Explorer. Go directly there now. Make sure to sort by name or type so any files that are pure numbers cluster together. This makes selection faster and more reliable. If you see many items, use the search bar with a numeric filter to isolate 123 or 2023 patterns, which reduces accidental removal of non-numeric files. Now you focus on selection. Use the recycle bin search to match numeric names, and then visually scan file extensions to confirm they are the numbers you intend to delete. You should preview each item when possible, because numbers saved in spreadsheets or documents might be needed. This prevents accidental data loss. Use Ctrl+Click to pick specific entries, or Shift+Click to grab a contiguous range once you've confirmed the group. Once done, double-check the count and total file size before proceeding. When you're ready, permanently remove the selected numeric files by right-clicking and choosing Delete Permanently, or use Shift+Delete to skip the recycle bin entirely. Make sure you understand this is irreversible. Alternatively, empty recycle bin to clear everything. Confirm the system prompt. If something goes wrong, stop immediately. Restore from file history, previous backups, or cloud sync. Those are your fastest recovery options. If restore fails, run a file recovery tool and avoid writing new data to the drive.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.